Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. I just want to share this Bank Nifty trade actually. So today morning, what happened is, see, we know, right? So there was a clear bounce since 17,500. Okay, recent. This is the thing actually. Okay, here from here on, it bounced back. Yeah, it touched almost 17,000. This thing. Okay, so from here on, it is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and I'm not in this trade actually during this upside move because I was trading in other stocks. So but now there is a point where a double resistance here, see, double top. So if this is confirmed, okay, today I'm just waiting actually. So I didn't enter the trade here. Okay, I didn't short here because I don't want to take a bigger risk, because any move upside will take another 1,000 points upside. So what I have done is a simple short, okay, simple short below this, a simple short, and that will lead to another 2 to 3,000 points downside. Okay, because exactly from this zone, if you see here, the positions, okay, means short positions are enabled as of now. Okay, so let's see whether this 21,200 will hold or not. See here, okay, below that it's seriously dangerous thing for the entire market, in the sense, not a big word, but I would say that we can get some 3,000 or minimum. Okay, bare minimum 1,000-1,500 points is bare minimum. Okay, means 20,000 you're gonna see here first of all. Okay, this low will be taken, a new low will be formed, that's for sure. Okay, so trade safe and don't go for longs once this is taken. This 21,200 is taken, then no need of going longs. Just wait for an upside bounce and just trade on the short side for this bigger targets. Okay, but this will be the initial target only. So later on we never know, right, based upon the market conditions and US uh, how they trade actually, global scenarios also. So that's the thing. Okay, forget about this coronavirus and all that stuff. As of now, that is not at all playing. These operators are playing the game, and they have taken the market upside without any reason. The market moved upside. So now, without any reason only, the market will correct now. Okay, so we'll see how, once this, see the exact support exactly here. Okay, because simple, there is no law magic here, this is the only logic, because yesterday's closing price, in the sense closing was here, but if you see the last candle, this becomes a support definitely. So this is the support here, and as of now, see, it is, yeah, it's taken now. Let's see whether it will sustain below. Sustain in the sense the closing below. These red candles are most powerful candles. If you can see the volume, let me show you the volume. See here, these two giant volumes, see here. Okay, bars. So now again one more green bar might come in the next candle to move back a 30-40% upside. Okay, we'll see that candle also. So that if the next red bar comes in, then we can definitely confirm that yes, this is going downside. Then only we can see. Now as of now, see, the candle is not closing below this line. Okay, so we need to wait. See, if there is no confirmation, there is no trade. So let's see whether it will close in. There are 4 more minutes. Actually, we can go to lower time frames also, 5 minutes. That's better, because they will give you much more candles to read actually. So that's the reason we can go much lower time frames. Even we can go to 2 minutes also. So now what I said is, if it comes below this and sustains below, remember that it has to sustain below. So this is a congestion zone actually. So that's the reason, see, there is no sideways trend and it break down, and where it has stopped at the next support. Now it is bouncing back. So till what point it will bounce back? Mostly 55 to 55 to 60% it will bounce. If you can if you want to in detail, then you can draw a Fibonacci here from that candle only, recent high. If you draw right, so here it's a 100% downside trend, and let's see till 61.8 or 50% where it will bounce back. If it bounces till 61.8%, then a high probability, means if it reverses again, then there is a high probability it will hit this 21,000. Okay. And if it hits 50% and reverses again there is a high probability it will come to 21,040. Let's see. There should be one more up move pending actually here. Let's see till what point it will go. Yeah, it is it's trying to move upside, but it won't work. Yeah, if you can see, right, it touched 61.8. if you can see closely here, right, this is 61.8. now let's see whether it will take time to move downside, or it will move immediately, or it will go till touch 50, 55%, 60 also. Yeah, it is moving upside. See, it does see, first thing here, this bounce is something like a dead cat bounce. Okay, means the guys hit this price very hard downside. So as of now there is a bounce back only. First of all, understand that it can never bounce back to this area. If it bounces, means it will happen only something like 30 times. Okay, out of 100, 30, max 20 times actually. And I don't think so it will bounce now also. Okay, because see, below this area 61.8 and 50%, it is actually, see, a professional traders, what they'll do is this zone 61.8 and 50%, they'll short very high positions, means highest quantities, because they can book immediately for 50, 80 or 100 points immediately. Okay, from 365 to something like 265 or 365 to 300, but they'll sell in something like 1000 lots. That's the difference. So for your understanding only, I'm just giving you this information. See how to trade scalping. Okay, means how to do the scalping. This is the way. Okay, if you can draw the price if you go through the price action things, right, if you draw the trend lines here, you can understand how good it is and how good they'll help you. People also will do this. Okay, since touching maximum lines, okay, maximum highs of the candles, wicks. Okay, and again this, they'll draw a support lines as well. Okay, this is the other way. And people mostly draw like this. Okay, but the ultimate thing here is actually the horizontal line, which will give you the, see, this is the important thing, this is not the important trend line. Okay, this is the horizontal line which is touching the maximum support, means maximum lowest candles, right, low of the candles. And once it is taken here, see the bar, downside, a small bounce, downside. Now a dead cat bounce will bounce till, as I told you, 50, 55, 60% max. So till that point one has to wait first of all, okay, because this price not only falls downside, it can easily bounce back to this area. So till that point we need to carefully wait. But once the trend confirmation is done downside, there is no looking back and I mean to say again buy the bank nifty. Just enjoy the downside ride. Let's see, let's finalize here itself, now itself, we'll see. This candle closing, let's see. As of now, again in this bounce also 50% downside retracement is happening now. If it takes off the 100%, then it's good. If not, again, if the next candle comes in green candle, right, again we need to wait. 1 more minute is left. Market is just giving up all the gains today because we know, right, the market moved very drastically, very fast actually. So as of now it is correcting. So let's see whether this candle will give us the much needed confirmation. Again a green candle. Until the close of the candle and until there is a exact confirmation, we should not enter into a trade first of all, okay, that's a very important thing. Now if you see, right, it is trying to come down actually. You can see in the volume also, when see this big giant bar here, you can see, right, volume. The same way one more volume bar will be there, okay. Once it reaches at least this level, then only we gonna see a good bar. Let's see some good volume, okay, volume guides increasing, okay, volume increases. Yeah, I think we got a confirmation now. I think we can yeah, I'm gonna short here below 200, okay, 21,200 I'm gonna short, and I'm gonna book some 100 points immediately. Let's see how it goes now. Yeah, I'm taking a risk, but at least, okay, I need to take risk actually, because now this candle, see the candle now, indecision candle, it is slowly becoming an indecision candle. Yeah, it's coming. Yes, yeah, I'm gonna short now, just give me a minute. Okay, so I have shorted at 21,220, okay. So let's see, will I get that 21,110, okay. So I'm just going for only 100 points because uh, there is some more actually some kind of intraday supports are there, right. So I don't want to take that risk, but I'll continue, okay. If it falls below this 138 percentage, then we'll see. As of now, let's see how fast it will come to 21,010, okay. Yeah, this is my target, okay. This is my target, almost like that, okay. 21,020 is my target. Okay, 21,020. Okay, I'll close once the target hits only. Okay, let's see how far it will go now. Okay, so another 40 points. Other 40 points. We're gonna see this trade. I can remove this, but I just want to show you the Fibonacci also. So both the price action, the candlesticks, and the Fibonacci, everything is working here, and the market is downside. It cannot move upside. Remember that, okay? So this now slowly downside momentum is gonna increase. Okay, so that's what the thing here is. Basically, it's like what you can call that pendulum. Okay, so it's the whatever the pendulum is there, right? It's actually moving this side and that side. Okay, resistance side and support side. As of now, it is coming to the supports. This is also just a bounce. It won't continue on the upside. Okay, so it's like a small bounce. It cannot move upside. Remember that. So that is again trapping the, what do you call that, all the buyers who are buying here. They're gonna trap them deeply. Okay, so see this our target is 21,020, right? So after that only bloodbath. Okay, on the downside only bloodbath will be there. Okay, means that bloodbath, if that continues, right, if that continues, this thing is gone. Let me draw it and show it to you here. If this is gone, 20,000, this last support, okay, means a new lower low will be formed from at this point of time. If it travels here, if it comes to this area, a new lower low and new lower high is also already formed. So then it will be a call on the downside to everyone, to every trader, everyone. Okay, so those who are holding positions on the upside, they're gonna take all their positions by this call, okay, on the short side. This is the confirmation for the all the traders, all the investors also, swing investors or whatever you name. I'm not gonna buy here because I know very clearly that this is gonna first of all hit our initial target. Okay, so let me take off all these drawings and everything so that you can see clearly. This is not needed because this was taken now, and our target is this thing, right? This is our target, and this is a final confirmation on the downside momentum for others. Okay, not for us, because I'm just looking for these 100 points only. Okay, we'll see. First, see, basically any trader, okay, any trader, you need to be very patient. Okay, very patient. Those who got the highest level of patience, see, might be 2 or 3 times out of 10 times you will be in loss. Okay, but 7 times you're gonna win. 7 times, you gonna win definitely. Okay, and if you see, already we got how many points? How many points we got? 100 points. Our target, initial target is done, but I am waiting for the 200 points downside. Okay, so we shorted it where 21,220, right? So first target, this is our target, and this one is completed now. And now you will be understanding why I kept this second target. Okay, this is called emotional balancing. Okay, people don't understand the concept, and what they're gonna do is, whenever we are in some kind of a green, we're gonna book profit, right? And whenever we are in a huge loss also, we're gonna average. That's the tendency of a normal trader or any investor. Okay, even if they place the stop loss also. Did I place any stop loss here? No, because I got a full confirmation here. Now, why I kept a 200 points target and why I told you 100 points I'll book? Because my emotion will tell you that this won't come here, this won't come here, you're gonna book. So what I have done is I have taken a double target, but my target is 50% of the total target. So 21,120 was hit and my trade was closed already. Okay, but here when I kept the double target, you can simply sit relax. Okay, because there is some more distance, right? Some more distance left for the final target, so that at any point of time it falls downside also, you no need to worry first of all. So if generally we have a saying, right? If you target bigger things, at least you will achieve 10% of it, half of it, right? Our elders will tell us, and even the businessmen who are successful also will tell us, if you aim for 100 marks, at least you will get 70 or 80 percentage. Okay, but if you aim for 50 percentage, how much you gonna get? That's what I have done here. My target is bigger, but my target is small. But what I have done is I have taken a double target, and 50% of that is my target, and it's done. Simple. So I don't need to explain this much for this thing, but why I'm telling is people nowadays are more greedy. Go for small targets but bigger size, but keep the position size always the same. If I'm trading with, for example, now 5 lots, my position size should be always 5 lots. Okay, for all the risk rewards, it might be 1:4, 1:3, 1:2. Okay, doesn't matter. But if you are keep on changing the position size, like for some RR you are going with something like 2 lots, and some RR you are going for 3 lots, at the end of the day you're gonna lose it. Okay, if you experience that kind of a trading, you'll already knowing that. Okay, so with this, right, I just want to tell you is, if you have patience, if you have enough risk ability to take, okay, so like this you're gonna see the successful trades. So now people might be thinking that it will bounce back. No boss, not gonna bounce. It exactly retraced from 61.8. It might go for some more 20-30 points upside, but a high chance, a high means something like 90%, if not 95% chances are there, it will come down to this 21,000 zone. Okay, remember that, this 21,000 zone area. Okay, yeah, thank you guys, and I'll be keep uploading this kind of trades almost every week. Okay, hopefully. So stay safe and keep trading exactly when you get a confirmation, and try to follow the basic rules in market. Okay, that's enough. Basic rules: have some kind of a good position size, basic RR, and keep patience. You're gonna win. See how it is going coming down. So that's the reason. Okay, that's the reason I'm telling people might buy here, but they're gonna face some serious damage. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you.